Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology, an autonomous institution, Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss the 19 ECEB 301 Analog and Digital Communication subject under the topic Single Sideband Suppressed Carrier. If you have any doubt on amplitude modulation, double sideband suppressor carrier, vestigial sideband, kindly watch my playlist that is attached in this YouTube video. Now I am going to discuss the single sideband suppressor carrier. The process of suppressing one of the sidebands along with the carrier and transmitting a single sideband is called single sideband suppressor carrier. The carrier and the lower sideband are suppressed. That is, one of the carrier is suppressed, also lower sideband also suppressed. I am transmitting only the upper sideband. Hence, the upper sideband is used for transmission. Similarly, we can suppress the carrier and the upper sideband while transmitting the lower sideband. This is the mathematical expression. Now, generating a double sideband suppressor carrier from frequency discrimination method. We will generate a double sideband suppressor carrier wave with the help of product modulator. Then apply this double sideband suppressor carrier wave as an input of bandpass filter. This bandpass filter produces an output which is single sideband suppressed wave. Select the frequency range of bandpass filter as a spectrum of the desired single sideband suppressor carrier wave. This means the bandpass filter can be tuned to either upper sideband or lower sideband frequencies to get the respective SSBSE wave having upper sideband or lower sideband. Advantages of filter method: it provides sufficiently flat and wide bandwidth. By this method, we can have suitably sideband suppression. Disadvantages of this filter method are: frequency up conversion at the end is necessary as the system doesn't generate single sideband at high frequencies. Expensive filter increases the overall cost of the system. Next, the phase discrimination method. This block diagram consists of two product modulators, that is two -90 degree phase shifters, one of local oscillator and one summer block. The product modulator produces an output which is the product of two inputs. The -90 degree phase shift produces an output which has a phase lag of -90 degree with respect to the input. The local oscillator is used to generate a carrier signal. Summer block produces an output which is either the sum of two inputs or the difference of two inputs based on the polarity of inputs. Thus, the modulating signal AS cos 2 pi FMT and the carrier signal AC cos 2 pi FCT are directly applied to the inputs of the product modulator. So, the upper product modulator produces an output which is the product of these two inputs, that is AM AC cos 2 pi FMT into cos 2 pi FCT. Advantages of phase discrimination method are: it doesn't require a frequency up conversion stage. The modulator signal can be a low frequency oscillator signal. Switching between the sideband is easier. Disadvantages of this phase shift method are: the designing of phase shifting circuitry is very complex. It requires a phase shifting to be accurate, which is a difficult task. SSB demodulator. The process of extracting an original message signal from SSBSE wave is known as directing or demodulation of SSBSE. Coherent director is used for demodulating SSBSE wave. Coherent director, the same carrier signal is used to direct the message signal. Hence, this process of direction is called as coherent or synchronous direction. Coherent director, which is used for local oscillator purpose. Advantages of SSB modulation: it allows multiple signals to transmit. SSB technique requires less bandwidth as compared to double sideband technique. Less power is consumed. It allows transmission of higher power signal. It provides less interference to noise due to the reduction in bandwidth. Disadvantages of SSB modulation are: implementation of SSB holds complex nature. It is expensive. SSB technique requires a transmitter and receiver to be highly frequency stable, as some slight changes in frequency will deteriorate the quality of the signal. Applications of SSB modulation are: it is needed in all such applications where power saving and low bandwidth is required. This technique is utilized in point-to-point communication. It is also used in land and air mobile communication. It also finds its application in telemetry and radar communication. So thank you for watching my video. In this YouTube video, I discussed what is meant by SSB and how SSB signal is generated and how it is demodulated. Then application, advantages and drawbacks are discussed. Thank you for watching my video.